In this video, I'm going to show you how to flush DNS on your Mac. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. The first step is to press Command and Spacebar on your Mac. This will open the Spotlight search. Now search for terminal. Now open the terminal on your Mac. Now you need to copy a code. So this is the code that you will have to copy. You will find this code in the description of the video. Now copy this code and paste it inside the terminal. Now click enter. Now it will ask you for the password. Enter the password of your computer. Make a note that it will not display the password. Just enter your password. Now hit enter. So this will flush the DNS on your Mac. So that's it about the video, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.